At MRIS, we do not teach, we transform learning. In the coming session, we are reimagining the curriculum through AI-integrated programs, through innovative teaching programs, the pedagogies, and we are ensuring that we foster students' critical thinking and real-world problem-solving techniques. Going beyond the classrooms, we are working majorly on the skill-based programs, from entrepreneurship and leadership to Media Shala, Maker Shala, Fashion Shala, giving exposure to the children through core engineering, through carpentry, podcasting, broadcasting, journalism, photography, apart from world-class infrastructure and performing art and visual art classes. At MRIS, we have been working very hard to ensure that children are future ready, and this is achieved through career counseling cafe that we have in school. It gives exposure to the children, it gives platform to the children, opportunity to the children to have personalized learning experience. We provide to them internships, we have international university collaborations, and whatever career related queries are there, the team ensures that all their queries are answered and they are future ready. So at MRIS Noida, we create critical thinkers, we create creative students, the future ready students. So the future is here and we are ready.